In today's video, I'll show you how to hide a WordPress page. Perfect for works in progress or exclusive content you don't want the public to see. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more WordPress tips. First, log into wordpress.com and access your dashboard. From the left-hand menu, click on Pages to see a list of all your site's pages. Find the page you want to hide and click Edit to open it in the page editor. On the right-hand side, locate the Status and Visibility section. Here you will see options for public, private and sometimes password protected. Select Private to ensure only you and users with logging privileges can access the page. Finally, click Update or Save in the top right corner to finalize your changes. Your page is now hidden from public view, giving you control over who can see your content. And that's it. A quick and easy way to manage the visibility of your WordPress pages. Use this feature to keep content secure, private, or ready for a future release.